There are many benefits to the cloud computing, including the following. First is your applications and the data are stored remotely in the cloud, so you can access them through a web browser. Cloud-based technologies have moved far beyond the simple file storage and include email, photos, healthcare data, payment systems, and so much more. Secondly, the cloud's infrastructure allow you to scale your applications across many different machines. Instead of requiring you to invest in and maintain your own hardware, the cloud lets you access hardware that is already in use, reducing the cost and improving the efficiency. Third is cloud-based technologies are easy to set up and your employers will learn quickly how to use them, making them a breeze to manage. As long as you have a web browser and an internet connection, you can access any cloud-based technology. Cloud computing can help you improve your disaster recovery capabilities. Cloud computing can help you reduce your energy consumptions as well. Thanks for watching.